Hello guys, I'm going to show you a tool that I developed for LinkedIn to build resumes. Right now I'm going to show you the resume format that you will be getting by using this bot. So here you will have the profile name, all the other details like their personal contact details, and then you will have all the skills that a person have on his profile, their all work experiences here, their complete education details, their recommendations, their projects that they have done, languages, courses, license and certifications, and publications. So we will have all the details in doc file by this tool. So I'm going to delete all these files and I am going to show you a short demo right now. Let's have a look. So first of all, this bot will log in to the LinkedIn by using our credentials that we will give in this log file separated by semicolon. We do have the access in this bot to scrap our connections, resumes, or scrap from custom search. In custom search, we will be inputting the target keywords here, and then we will apply the filters on LinkedIn to scrap the listings. Now we are going to select option 1 to scrap from connections. So in this case, my bot will go to the connections, and from there it will scrap all the profiles and then it will generate the resumes. Let's have a look now. So the first company is GrowthRocks. The doc files will be saving with this company name in the files folder. This is a cross-platform bot. We can use this bot on Linux, Mac, and Windows. And there are no limitations in this bot. We can scrap as many resumes from here as we want. We have no courses here on his profile. Same for the certifications. Same for the publications. So it has generated the file with the company name GrowthRocks. Let's have a look now. So we have all the details here, their name, address. This is a doc file. We can make any changes if we want in the file, and then we can save this as a PDF if we want. And in work experience, we have all the work experiences, education, recommendation, as I shown you before, all the details like projects, their languages, courses, lessons, and publications. And it will do same for all the profiles that we will input in the bot. Let it complete this profile, and I will show you the output. LinkedIn also provide this feature to export the resumes from the profiles, but that is in the premium package, and that includes all the manual work. In that case, we will be opening each and every profile ourselves, and then we will go to jobs, and then we will be able to export the resume. But here in our case, everything is automated, and this is the second resume that bot has exported. Name, address, email, phone, their profile image, their LinkedIn URL, all their skills, their work experiences, education, recommendations, projects, languages, courses, license, and publications. So we will have all the details here in the resume. So this is a short demo of the board. That's all. If you need this board, you can contact me, and if you need any customizations in the board, we can do that as well. Thank you so much. Take care, please. Bye bye.